Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so no go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the US State Department has blasted the office of the DPP and also the justice system, viewers and subscribers, for not meeting their mandate on improving accountability and also transparency. Now, viewers and subscribers, the justice system received international donations, and Minister with the portfolio at times said the funds would go towards strengthening the country's anti-corruption framework. Now, he said that the agreement will go a far way in addressing a long-held perception of corruption in so-called high places. Now, Permanent Secretary in the ministry, Sansia Templar, also said that the MOU underpins efforts to reduce the time taken to prosecute, process, and adjudicate various organized and complex criminal cases, as in Vybz Kartel's case. And also with Tamale Sparta, because for the better part, the individual, by our reports, was held with a firearm, and still, every time he appears in Zoom court, which we can call it now, because since these proceedings are being held via Zoom, them always are remanding and are put off the case. Why is it so hard to prosecute if the evidence is as they said it is? But I did the same thing with Vybz Kartel case. So while them are cook up, I guess we have to wait until the rice simmer, because I must cook them and try to cook up something for Tamale Sparta. This is the view in the streets. Now, the State Department is quoted as saying in their report that a lack of willingness and efficiency in the judiciary continue to plague the justice system, adding that trials continue to languish, as in Tamale Sparta's case. Adding that in regards to corruption, it noted that law provides criminal penalties for corruption by officials, but the government did not implement and enforce the law efficiently, and officials reportedly engage in corrupt practices with impunity. They also noted that the media and civil society organizations continue to criticize the director of public prosecutions for being slow at times and also reluctant to prosecute corrupt cases, but also going a step or out of their way to prosecute entertainers and individuals, viewers and subscribers who are not a part of their circle or the status quo. Now, viewers and subscribers, freedom is a must. The corrupt acts of the justice system is now out in the open, and international organizations are taking note, viewers and subscribers. And some would say a lot of these things have been happening for years, but with Vybz Kartel's case and the pressure being applied to the powers that be, because for a long point of time, what was broadcast in the paper media was always their version of the story. In this day and age, there are discussions about the things that were left out, and that is applying a certain pressure to the system and the powers that be. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently the government was ordered to pay $3 million to deported Jamaican Richard Storyteller Morris, who was wrongfully extradited to the United States of America in 1991. But a tearful Morris, viewers and subscribers, is dissatisfied with what the courts have awarded him, which are $3 million. This individual was deported from 91 91. And them I say, even though they got it wrong, I just a 3 million him forget, which are 20,000 US. I joke something. Joking on him something. Now, the citizens of the nation took to social media, yes, the same social media platform, to voice their concerns, viewers and subscribers. Yes. Now, why did say this? For the better part, it is true. Officials do engage in corrupt practices with impunity, as in Vybz Kartel case when them tamper with the evidence, and that was allowed to continue. Nobody never said nothing. There was nothing said. The trial judge overlooked everything that took place. What is taking place in this day and age with the justice system while the country claims to be moving forward? How can we have a better society? How can the country move forward with laws that restrict movement of the nation? Meaning, no growth. When people lack basic trust in the justice system, means somebody knows say them have a case against an individual with money, chances are you might lose based on who that individual is. And some people say even if you do win, you know it go when street laws are implied, as in the case where, we see it. Some different channels that cover that. Can go check it out. But street laws are applied after you do win a case anyway. But for the better part, viewers and subscribers, we know this. When it comes to officials and their practices, for the better part, it always sweep under the carpet. So people do as them like. People take up phone, people tamper with evidence, you present it in a court and still get them tenure extended. It's almost like them get a job well done, even though the entire society and even people who reside internationally are saying this is clear corruption. But it's almost like people's voices were not being heard. But in this day and age, there's no way you can deny social media attention because it is used for a lot of things. When them run them statistics, social media is used. So it is a way to see the opinion of the people. And the opinion of the people is that Vybz Kartel and co-accused are innocent and should be freed, and that the justice system acted corruptly. And the State Department is saying this is not the first instance. That is what is shocking. The State Department is saying this is not the first instance of this occurrence. Them things are going on for years now. See it? The government has ordered the PR man when them extradite wrongfully. The justice system is not even for you. Meaning, when that extradition order was received by the government, or I would say the same DPP who's in charge of that did not even look into the case because the individual was not someone prominent. Maybe if he was a big business owner, then you know that would have got. But being a regular individual, them choose for just say, yo, give him up. Send him go on. And yes, I don't think during that time it was the current DPP. No. We're not gonna blame her for that. As we do, we present the evidence. We don't do what them do. No, we not do what them do. You're not gonna catch you eat at the restaurant. Then with them eat, we not party at the same venues. No, you're not gonna catch you around them. We don't do what they do. So we're not gonna say this go on and I did, during fear time. No. I never did fear time. As to what I think. But the country has a long history of doing this. And we can't just say I saw the thing set and I say, all right, next year we'll fix it. We have to start today. Are you promised tomorrow? Did you receive some notification saying that your tomorrow was guaranteed? We have to start today. Them say make it while the sun shine. You have to put in the work now. Who needs to be prosecuted needs to be prosecuted. Who will lose them job? Hey, we need to fix the justice system. No. Vybz Kartel needs to be released. The Privy Council can do that. But it should also set the tone locally that certain acts will not be accepted by the citizens. So them have to deal with the thing better. Them have to deal with the thing better. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available right here for you on the platform. You know the something with like icon, then in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like, boss a share. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. You know the something go. Yeah, man, I move settings, fam. I wanna need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.